For quick framing estimates, use the beam span thumb rule to size beams so deflection stays acceptable during construction. Start by treating joists and beams as simply supported members and follow common thumb rules such as 2 by 10 joists, spanning about 18 feet when spaced 16 inches on center for typical residential loads. For runs longer than that, plan to switch from solid sawn lumber to laminated veneer lumber or glued laminated timber, which provide much higher stiffness and uniform strength. For example, increasing depth reduces deflection roughly with the cube of depth, so a small increase in beam depth yields large stiffness gains. Always consult published span tables from code bodies or manufacturers and match the loading case you expect, including live load, dead load, and any point loads from partitions or chimneys. For cantilevers, do not extend more than 1/4 of the total supported span without engineered design, since deflection and rotation grow rapidly. When estimating, allow a modest safety margin because field conditions such as moisture, knots, and framing imperfections reduce actual stiffness. If you are unsure, document the span, loads, and support spacing, and get a structural engineer to verify, especially for open floor plans or unusual loading. 3 common mistakes are relying on nominal lumber sizes without accounting for spacing differences, assuming manufacturers' spans apply to all species and grades, and neglecting cantilever effects. A simple check is to calculate or look up spans for the exact spacing you use and pick the next deeper size if your conditions are worse than the table. Another frequent issue is using solid sawn beams past their practical span. Remedy that by switching to engineered beams such as laminated veneer lumber or glued laminated timber and confirm with span tables for the product. Third is ignoring concentrated loads from heavy partitions or mechanical equipment. Mark those locations and either add a bearing under the beam or specify an engineered beam sized for bending and shear. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find project ideas related to beam sizing and framing. We also provide a discussion community where we and others can share field experience, ask questions, and compare solutions.